Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Ganitheo Lang Yan, where we discuss different um, things that will help you uh, with your schoolworks and other stuff. Okay, so what we will solve today is one of the common issues encountered whenever you're creating presentation. Okay, since I will be conducting my or facilitating my demo teaching in one of the high schools here in our municipality. Um, I decided for today's video I prepare for my demo teaching by creating a PowerPoint presentation. Um, so I will teach you how to create your own PowerPoint template. And how are we going to do that? Ganitheo lang yan. Okay, so first let's open PowerPoint. So when we open PowerPoint, especially the latest versions, we are given option to create or to select um, install pre-installed templates. Okay, so for example, this one, this, this, and so on. Okay, so we can do that. We can select any of these, but sometimes we do the manual editing. For example, for this one, we want to change the font style. We want to change the font color. We do it manually. And that is a very tedious job to do. And it takes time for you to edit it on every slide, to design the slide. And the time that you've wasted should have used in creating the whole presentation. You used it on just designing. So that's that that made the work longer. Instead of you creating your design right away, and then it will automatically populate or automatically be used whenever you need it. So you can select any of the um, pre-installed templates here, um, and then later on you can edit them. It's up to you. Uh, but I'll show you how you can edit them and how you can create your own. So for example, I'll be using this one. Let's just use that. And I want to change the font style, the font color, and things like that. So how am I going to do that? On PowerPoint. So ganito lang yan. You click on view, and then on the menu you click on view and then select slide master. There you go. So for the slide master, in here you can create your own slide or create your own design of slides or template layout, to be precise, because this is just a background, you know. So how are we going to do that? So you just have to click on slide master and create your own design. So how are we going to do that? If you are a person who's into simple, because if you don't have this, let's say you want to add a background to this one, you search for images on Google, then you add it as a background. So for example, I want to add this as a background. That's it. But if I go to the next slide, it's not there anymore. So how am I going to do that? I want it to be present on all the slides. So that is where our slide master will come into play. Okay. So let's say, let's go to slide master. I want to design my slide master. This is your slide master. These are your slide layouts. These one. Uh, these are your slide layouts. So you can change that too. But if you want to apply something in on all the slides, you have to do it on the slide master. Okay. Some would use shapes, some would use background images. Let's say, let's look for brain waves background. Tool size large, usage right, Creative Commons licenses. Okay, okay, that one not good. Okay, let's try. I don't like that. I don't like the search result. Let's try computer computer binary. Internet waves. Let's try that. Okay, technology. Okay. Tools, the size should be large, and the usage rights should be Creative Commons licenses. Okay. I think this one is good. Open image in new tab. Doesn't allow me to open it on a new tab. Make sure that the image that you're using doesn't have any watermark. Okay. Let's say technology background. Tools, large, usage rights, Creative Commons. Okay. Choosing the background is really tedious. Let's just try this one. Too much blue? Doesn't matter. Okay. So, let's just, if you extend the, let's send to background. If you extend the image out of the slide, it will not appear on the slide. For example, this one, I extended this. Let's extend more. Let's move that. So if I extend that one, as you can see, it will not appear it will not show you the extended parts. Like that one, I extended that one, it didn't appear on the slide. Okay. You can also add shapes Let's say, since this is about tech, let's just add something here. Like I said, you can extend, let's change the font color. Don't like that one. Hmm, what's a good one? This one. Let's try this one. Let's change the font color. Okay, I think that's good. Ah, I forgot. Okay, I think it's good. Yeah, I think it's good. And then I'll add another one here. Okay, see. Okay. Yeah, I think that's fine. Since it's sun, let's just change that one. Let's change the color to yellow. Since it's a sun. Let's see. Okay, bright lights. Okay, so um in here you can edit the layout, because I don't want anything from there. This can happen. I think that's fine. You can change here. You can change the font style. Let's use Adobe Gothic. STD. The color yellow. Yellow. So it will apply to all the slides if you change Gothic. Okay. So all will be in Adobe Gothic. Whatever you select here as the, because the slide master, like what I said earlier, anything you add here will apply to all the slides. So I changed this to Gothic and colored yellow. You can also add footer here like Joey Mark Yes, like my name. Change it to color yellow, and there you go. um, this doesn't have footer, um, but when you print it, it will appear on the footer. Okay, so let's try it. How do we go out of the slide master? So just click on slide master and then close master view. Okay, so we want a title page, so layout, title page. Okay, so this is a title page. So let's say I'm going to teach types of media, and the course it's under is media and information literacy. Okay, so that's it, and then enter. So as you can see, it's, you don't have to do the tedious work of editing again and again. So let's say 4 types of media. So you have your print media. I don't know, 3 types. Sorry, 3 types of media. Print media. You have your broadcast media and the new media. Okay, so print media, broadcast media, new media, and then I'll add another one. So let's talk about print media. So write something here. Let's talk another one. Let's talk about broadcast media. Then another one. Let's talk about new media. Okay. So on each of this, I have to add examples. You can change the layout for images only and title only. Examples. Okay. And then in here I can add pictures. So if you're going to play this slide, it will look like this. That's it. So it's very easy, it's very simple to create your own PowerPoint presentation if you are familiar with the template that you are using. So better use your own template, your personalized template. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I think that's it. I'll just continue that one and create my PowerPoint presentation for my demo teaching. And yeah, I hope you learned something new today, and I hope it will help you a lot in the future. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Once again, add on the comment section below if you have things or topics you want me to discuss, and I'll do my best to discuss it, to talk about it. And yeah, share it to your friends, share it with your friends, so that they will also learn from what I'm teaching, as well as subscribe for daily videos. Okay, see you again tomorrow for our next Ganito lang yan episode. Bye!
Telling me to dance, taking a chance.